Hello, welcome all. This is our lecture 9, and in today's lecture, we will learn about the UN. In the previous videos, previous lectures, we have learned something about and heard a term UN. What is the work of the UN? What is the structure of the UN? Now, here is United Nations. In this lecture, we will discuss about it in deep. What are the organs? What is the need of this? What are the working of it? And many more things. So let's start our topic today. The picture in front of you, it's the UN General Assembly. It means it's like a parliament, as our parliament, where the parliament members will sit and take any decisions, take meetings, etc. This is the place where the members are from all over the world. The representatives are from all over the world. We'll sit here, discuss the any topic from the world as well. United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization and founded in 1945. Currently, it has 193 member states. At the time of commencement, there were approx 50 members at that time. But now it have 193. I think 194 members, 194th member is added currently. The mission and work of the UN are guided by the purposes and principles contained in its founding charter. Founding charter means it also has a constitution, a written constitution as like our constitution, and this will guide the activities of UN, and all the powers are in its charter, and it's an unique international character as like our constitution is imposed in the territory of India, and the provisions mentioned in the UN charter, they are imposed in the whole world. Okay, or we can say that it is the constitution for all over the world. It will guide any, as like our constitution will guide our behavior, our working, our lifestyles, etc. Such as UN is confirming many issues related to humanity, peace, security, climate change, sustainable development, human rights, terrorism, and health emergencies. Like there is a organization that is WHO, World Health Organization, that is also associated with the UN. That's the part of the UN. Okay, there are many fields in which UN is working all over the world. There are many countries where there is no food, there is no health infrastructure. So in that countries, the UN will provide the health and many equipments to them, as like in uh, many African countries are there where there is no development, there is no food, there are food crises in the world. Then these issues will taken care by UN. Next, the UN also provide a forum for its member to express their views in the General Assembly. As like in our Parliament, all the member of the Parliament will have the right to speak about their particular region. As in UN, there is a provision that every member state can send their representatives to speak up, to interact with the other countries, and to put any social issue related to the humanity and other living creatures. The Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, and other bodies are committees. And there are different kind of committees in UN also. By enabling dialogue between its members and by hosting negotiations. It is a platform of negotiation also. If there are conflicts in two countries to on any topic or any matter, then it will provide a forum or a platform to those countries to meet up, to speak and put their issues in front of each other and try to solve the problem together. The main organs means these are the main committees, main bodies of the UN. There are 6 main international bodies of UN. The General Assembly, as like our Parliament, General Assembly, the Security Council. The Security Council means there are it have 5 permanent members, and some members will be temporary and are or they are elected by the General Assembly elections in the UN, and the country will take part in the Security Council meetings only for 2 years. 2 years. Or the 5 countries are the permanent member of Security Councils. They are America, Britain, France, China, and Russia. The next one is the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice. As like our Supreme Court, High Court, and other courts, there is an international court that is with the name of International Court of Justice, and it is situated in the Hague. All other organs main headquarters are in New York City in US. This is the only organ that is outside the New York City. And the last one is UN Secretariat. And these all the organs, all the committees, all the organizations were established in 1945 when the UN was founded. So this is all in this lecture. We will learn about any other organizations or its working in the next lecture.